What if I told you? It's not your salary that's keeping you poor, it's your habits. Even people earning $50,000 or more can struggle financially because of a few daily mistakes. Today, I'll show you 7 money habits that quietly destroy your wealth and how you can fix them. Habit number 1, lifestyle inflation. Every time your income increases, your spending increases too. Instead of building wealth, you buy a bigger car, more subscriptions, or expensive gadgets. Save or invest part of every pay rise before increasing your lifestyle. Habit number 2, buying on impulse. A few unplanned purchases every week may not seem like much, but over a year they can cost thousands. Before buying anything that isn't essential, wait 24 hours. You'll be surprised how often you decide not to buy it. Habit number 3, living paycheck to paycheck. If every pound you earn is already spent before payday, one emergency can quickly become a financial crisis. Build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses. Habit number 4, ignoring your budget. Many people know how much they earn, but they have no idea where their money actually goes every month. Track every expense for the next 30 days and create a simple monthly budget you can stick to. Habit number 5, carrying high interest debt. Credit card debt grows faster than most people realize because interest keeps adding up every month. Focus on paying off your highest interest debt first while continuing the minimum payments on your other balances. Habit number 6, never investing. Saving money is important, but inflation slowly reduces the value of cash over time. Learn the basics of long-term investing and start with small, consistent contributions. Habit number 7, waiting for the perfect time. Many people delay saving or investing because they think they'll start when they earn more money. The truth is, there is never a perfect time. Time itself is one of the biggest advantages in building wealth. Start today. Even small amounts can grow into something meaningful when you're consistent. Remember, wealth isn't built by one big decision. It's built by the small habits you repeat every single day. Which of these 7 habits are you going to change first? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Money Clarity Path for simple, practical financial education. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.